Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are not going to be making anything. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a video of a little activity I was invited to do with the kiddos from my local library. The library had reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do something for Halloween with the kids. So I decided that we were going to decorate our own brownie ghosts. And all I did was I used a box mix to make the brownies, and then I gave them free range to decorate however they wanted, with frosting, with different candies. I gave them sprinkles, really anything that they could use to decorate, I gave them. And it was so amazing to see how excited they were. It was just pure joy on their faces. They were able to be as creative as they wanted to be. Now, they only got one little brownie, so of course that only took about 30 minutes. But if you are looking for an activity where you can do it with your kiddos at home, this is the one to do. I'm telling you, they had such an amazing time. My son was there. My family came to see, and there were kids from like little, like my son, to high school kids who really loved it. So I really hope you guys give it a try. I hope you guys love the video. Just take this kind of as an idea if you want something fun to do for Halloween. I know it's cold outside, so going outside is probably the last thing you want to do. But if you're looking for something fun to do with your kiddos, I hope you guys try it. And I hope you guys really enjoy the video because I really had an amazing time being there. So yeah, I'm excited to share it with you. Bye.